Unit 3, Chapter 5, Subject Name, Soil and Water Conservation Engineering, Subject Code, Golden Rules of Soil and Water Conservation Engineering. Hello learners, let's understand the golden rules of account. Every economic entity must present its vine erosion control to all its stakeholders. The information provided in the agriculture must be accurate and present a true picture of the entity. Vine erosion control. A suitable surface soil texture is the best key to vine erosion protection. Properly managed crop residue, carefully timed soil tillage, and accurately placed crop strip and crop barriers can all effectively reduce vine erosion. Proper land use and adaptation of adequate moisture conservation practice are the main tool which helps in vine erosion control. In arid and semi-arid region where serious problem of vine erosion is common, several cultural methods can help to reduce the vine erosion. In the absence of crop residue, soil roughness or soil moisture can reduce the vine erosion effectively. Three basic methods can be used to control vine erosion. Maintain vegetative cover, vegetative measures, roughen the soil surface by tillage practices. Tillage practices or may be called tillage measures. Mechanical or structural measures, mechanical measures, vegetative measures. Vegetative measures can be used to roughen the whole surface and prevent any soil movement. The aim is to keep the soil rough and rigid to either prevent any movement initially or to quickly trap bouncing soil particles in the depression of the rough surface. A cover crop with sufficient growth will provide soil erosion protection during the cropping season. It is one of the most effective and economical means to reduce the effect of wind on the soil. It's not only retract the velocity near the ground surface but also holds the soil against tractive force of wind, thereby helping in reduction of soil erosion. Roughen the soil surface by tillage practices. The tillage practices such as plowing are importantly adopted for controlling vine erosion. This practice should be carried out before the start of vine erosion. Plowing before the rainfall helps in moisture conservation. Plowing especially with a disc plow is also helpful in development of rough soil surface, which in turn reduces the impact of erosive vine velocity. Both the above effects are helpful in controlling the vine erosion. Surface roughing should only be considered when there is insufficient, less than 50% vegetation cover to protect the soil surface or when the soil type will produce sufficient cloud to protect the surface. Mechanical or structural measure. This method consists of some mechanical obstacles constructed across the prevailing vine to reduce the impact of blowing vine on the soil surface. These obstacles may be fences, walls, stone packing, etc., either in the nature of semi-permeable or permeable barriers. These semi-permeable barriers are most effective because they create diffusion and adding effects on their downstream face. Terrace and bunds also obstruct the vine velocity and control the vine erosion to some extent. Thank you.